How to see the tweets on X without an account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As Twitter continues to evolve under the new direction, accessing the tweets without an account has become more restricted. However, here are still a few methods that should help. First of all, you can access the public profiles by entering the URL directly in the browser. This way, some public content may be still visible without logging in. Another option would be using the search engine queries. On Google or Bing, you can use the format such as Twitter, the topic, slash username. This way, you can click on the search results to view the public tweets directly. Another option would be using the app temporarily. Even without logging in, installing the app and browsing certain contents may provide you the limited access to the application. Many news outlets embed the tweets in articles, so reading tweets directly on such websites is often unrestricted. Another thing you need to keep in mind is Elon Musk's evolving monetization models may reintroduce the excess tires, so checking the platform's announcement regularly could be useful. We will keep you updated on that regard. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.